I'm in on Apple. Amazon froze. NQ still pushing. Apple seems to be slowing down in volume. If we can't start moving here, then I'm out. You can tell it's trying to decide right here. Look at NQ. If we can get a new high. New high, there we go. Big pullback. I think I'm gonna cash out. This isn't good. NQ still pushing. Still staying strong. NQ's pushing. There we go. Wow. Let's go. Come on, Apple. Wow, look. They stopped Amazon. I'm gonna sell half of my position. I'll be out on a 151 break. I'm waiting. Give it a second. It's already up. Nice. I'm out. Wow. Holy shit. £53 plus 88. How much did I make? 53 plus 88. £141 today. Fantastic. Usually I'd close my position completely, all of it, but in this case, because it was kind of choppy, I sold half of my position around here, and then it pushed up a little further, closed the rest of my position up here. It's been 7 minutes since market opened and I've already made £141. That was dope. I always seem to stress a little whenever I enter around here, but then it kind of dips, because now I'm thinking, oh, maybe this is a new resistance line here and then it'll do a pullback. But no, NQ was staying strong. I held my position and Apple shot up. Could have entered a little sooner, but this was the breakout point. 150.
You're not half bad. Where did you study?